Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start Social Studies Chapter 2. So, students, let's begin Chapter 2, Latitudes and Longitudes. The Earth is our home planet. It is made up of land and water. It is round in shape and very large in size. Life is possible on it because it has air and water. As the earth is very large, so it is not possible to study the whole earth at a time. To study the earth, a globe was made. Now, children, what is globe? A globe is a miniature model of the earth. The globe represents earth almost perfectly. It shows various features of the earth's landscape such as ocean, continents, countries, mountains, deserts, plain, etc. using different colors, lines and symbols. It is not possible to study the whole earth on a globe at a time. Only half of the globe is visible at one time. Rest half is hidden on the other side. To study the other half, globe can be rotated on its axis. So children, this is axis. This is axis. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the two extreme end points known as poles. The end at the top of the globe is known as the North Pole, and the end at the bottom is known as the South Pole. Here you can see at the top the North Pole and the bottom South Pole. The equator. The equator and the two hemispheres. Observe the globe again and try to locate the line that runs midway between the two poles and encircle the globe. This line is called the equator. This line which shows is equator here, which divides the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The part of the north to the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the part of the south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Here you can see, for example, this is our earth. So you can see this line is passing from the mid is known as the equator, and the part which is equator divides our earth into two parts. That is, first is northern hemisphere and the second is southern hemisphere. Here you can see the hemisphere means half sphere. The equator is actually an imaginary circle drawn around the middle of the earth. Imaginary line. Latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes are the two sets of imaginary line on the globe. One set of horizontal line makes full circle running from east to west are known as latitudes. The other set of semicircle vertical lines which runs from north to south are known as longitude. Here you can see east to west, these are the latitude lines, and here you can see these are longitude lines. Latitudes are the imaginary line that runs parallel to the equator. They help us to know how many degrees north or south we are from the equator. Marking latitudes. Latitudes are marked in degree. The equator, which is the biggest latitude, is marked as 0 degree. The north and south pole are marked as 90 degree north and 90 degree south respectively. On either side of the equator, the latitudes are marked from 0 to 90 degree. 0 degree to 90 degree. For example, a latitude lying 20 degree to the north of equator is marked as 20 degree north, and a latitude lying 10 degree to the south of the equator is marked as 10 degree south. Some important latitudes divide the earth into various heat zones. These are the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north, the equator or 0 degree latitude, the Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree south, the Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degree south. So students, tomorrow I will read the lesson and give you the exercise.